Hello everyone, today teacher Nico is going to teach you how to play C2 grade 5 lentamente song. Today we're going to learn how to play the line number 3. You get ready with a score review so it's easier for you to see. So I'm going to show you the right hand first. So the right hand, right, this is a middle C. You need to go to here. Okay, then you use finger 1, 2, B and D. You need to count 8 count. 1 because I count in quaver. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. And then you change 1, 3 on the D and F. Then 2, 4 on the E and G. And then F and A. From here to here to here, you must always legato. So you hold, and then you can hold this. Finger 1. Then you lift up. Finger 2, hold it. Okay, this is the way you change. Okay, and you must make sure you have one sound at a time. You cannot be like that. Okay, so this is for these sections, and after that you need to go an octave higher. So this middle C, from here, right, you need to move to an octave higher here. So A, C, E, accent. Then hold the 3 and 5. The time from the A go to A flat. Then hold the A flat, change the 3 and 5 to the B and D, B and D. Okay, then hold the 3 and 5, change the time to the G. So it's like take turn to hold, take turn to move. Okay, and after that 1, 2, 4. So you must always legato. So I show you the original for right hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Thank you for the right hand. And one now is the left hand turn. Left hand you need to play B, D, F. So this is the middle C. So it's actually 2 octaves lower. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. And then you move to D Solman chord. Then go to E Solman chord, but you can use 1, 2, 4. Okay, then F Solman chord, you use 1, 2, 3. Again, the same things, you need to hold one of the notes to legato. So hold the pinky, move 1, 2, 4. Hold the 4, move 1, 2, 3. So this is the way to do legato. Again, same things, you cannot have this type of sound. Okay, in order to avoid, you need to have a spider finger. If you have a flat finger, they will always have the not even sound. Okay, so this is for these sections. Then after you go here, middle, F, C, and then E. So go 3 and 1 and then 2 and you still hold the pinky. Move the C and E to the B and D. Then after that, move the B and D to the C and A. So you're just going down. So then 1, 2, pinky just hold. Okay, this section is very soft, so you don't need to hold very hard. Then you go like that. Okay, yeah, just hold it softly. Yeah. So I show you just the left hand. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and. So I show you hands together. 1, 2. You need a piano. Pianist is more and mysterious, very soft. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2